Fire HD8. It's a very, very light charger and a Type-C cable. I'm very glad it's been upgraded to a Type-C instead of a USB, micro USB. All right, let's power it on. Very portable. I think the performance is good enough for such a small tablet. Let's check out the charging speed. So, according to the specification, the regular version takes about 5 hours to recharge, and the Plus version is much faster at 4 hours. So I hooked up a power meter, and let's test and plug this into my power meter and power strip. We have a charging port here and volume and power key. And there's also a headphone jack. All right, charging started at 6 watts, and let's test later with the raw power charger with the Type-C DP port charger and see if it improves. So according to my USB meter, it is charging at 5 watts maybe. Yeah, that's 5.14 watts. I'm not sure if you can see. Let's go get a closer shot. Okay, so that's the best it can do using this little charger. So I suspect the more expensive HD8 version may be using a better charger. So this is what's limiting, right? So let's check out the more advanced charger, see if it can deliver more. So just for your information, okay, wow, look at that. 15 watts. That is 3 times more than this included junk. We are at 68%. Using a much better charger, you're charging 3 times faster. I bet this guy even can be charged in like 3 hours. Let's see here. If I plug in this side of my Type-C meter, check out the power. Yeah, that is 14.12 volt. Of course, we have a conversion loss, and this is more accurate. We can say it's above 14 volts. At 5.29 volts, 2.67 amps. That's more than 14 watts of power. Already 69%. So yeah, it supports fast charging, much faster using the raw power charger. You would get this type of charger on Amazon as well. So it should be pretty easy to find. And of course, I use it to charge my iPhone and even my MacBook Pro. Oh, that's sweet. Already 70%. 70%. Yeah. I'm pretty happy with this tablet, and hopefully I'll keep you guys updated to see how it goes on the long-term use.